Welcome to the RV Dog channel. It's finally here, my camera system to make YouTube videos. Going to be installing this in my RV rig. So there's a cool setup. It's actually a house surveillance system, but you can hook up 8 cameras to it. I'm going to mount them all over my RV. Seen one guy on YouTube. He had a cool setup. He put them on his RV, and I said, hey, it's pretty neat. It has 2 terabyte memory, so I can run this thing continuously for about 10 days, non-stop. That's going to be my screen. It's a little miniature monitor, like a computer monitor. And then the camera system. Got is a Swann security system. Going to mount it on the top of the truck, behind the RV, side of the RV. Has a DVR. Has all the hookups in the back. This is actually made for household use, but it right here uses 12 volt DC. So I either can use a inverter or I can hook it right into the 12 volt system. Still figuring out what I want to do with it. So then I got my HDMI port here to plug into my monitor, which the monitor is also 12 volts that I can hook up. Then you got microphone and sound I can hook up here, and I can hook up 8 cameras to it. One guy seen on YouTube, one of his problems was DVR has a hard drive in it, which when he hit bumps and stuff, it didn't work out too well. But hopefully my truck rides a little bit better, or I can make some kind of cushion system on it. Here's the cameras. Actually pretty nice. They're 4K. They got a aluminum housing. It's not plastic, so it looks like they're made pretty good. They got an infrared detection on it, so anything warm that goes by, you'll start recording. So I can record wildlife, raccoons, deer, whatever's running around, bears, whatever's running around outside the campsite while I'm sleeping. I can capture all the action outside. Might mount one on top of the toy hauler in the back, top of the truck, can be down the side. It's pretty much just a dash cam on steroids. Got cable hookup, 60 feet, so I'll be able to run that everywhere. Has 12 volt plugs, so they just plug right into each other. Looks like it's very easy to hook up. Cameras, I thought about maybe mounting them on a magnet so I can just stick them on the truck any place. Not sure if the magnet will interfere with it, but we'll have to experiment with it and try it, play with it. And it has the 12 volt power supply, so I can plug that in household current, an inverter, or I can just cut the wire and hook it directly into 12 volts into the car. The kit came with 6 cameras, so I just got to find out where I want to mount them all at. Alright, there's some more cameras. sort of impressed. Nice metal housing. Got 4 of them in this box. I've seen, got all the wiring. And I've seen a lot of dash cam videos and stuff. And I thought about getting a dash cam. Dash cam, cheap ones, 25 bucks. Nice ones, couple hundred. Nice system like this. 6 cameras, 4K, HD. About 400 bucks. So that's not a bad deal at all when you compare it to a dash cam. I just got to do a little ingenuity. I've only seen one guy on YouTube do it. I haven't seen anybody else do it. So if anybody else has experience or have ever mounted a security system on your RV, let me know some tips. If not, I'm just figuring it out as I go. Alright, I'll keep you updated as I get this figured out and hooked up. Leave any comments down below. Thank you for watching the RV Dog Channel.